Salmon. Flavor, science, and glow in just one bite. Let's go shopping! Hey my gente! Today we are hunting for serenity, ingredient by ingredient. Because peace of mind doesn't start at the spa. Actually start in the supermarket aisle. I'm at Clown Market, sourcing the finest sustainable salmon and clean side ingredients. They are known for top quality ingredients. Honestly, one of the best places in Miami to find fresh, chef-approved ingredients. Let's go! So, let's start by the salmon. Always go wild caught if you can. Let's go for the salmon, people! There we have it. Now our citrus, our glow boosters. Orange, lemon, and a little bit of lime. The trilogy of citrus. Now we have spinach and broccoli, our fiber and iron duo. Bright greens, people, that means fresh nutrients. So here we have it! Quinoa, and even better if you find sprouted organic quinoa. But always choose the white one. I know that the one with colors is prettier, cuter, and everything, but the white one is the best option. And like quinoa deserves some flavor too, so no punishment. So we will cook it in a low sodium vegetable broth. I will say this could be the best option. Vegetable broth, low sodium. Let's check out in the back first. Okay, not bad. The other vegetable broth that I saw, it had almost a double of sodium, so we're going for this one. Now, let's look for one of the quiet heroes of the recipe, white miso. This is precious cargo. It's full of umami and low sodium. Healthy can be delicious. So, unfortunately, we didn't find parsley. What other ingredient we didn't find? It was the parsley and the lavender. We didn't find them here, but I was expecting that, especially with the lavender. I usually go to an Asian store that we are going to now. So yes, here we do find the lavender. Yay! So, groceries are done and serenity secure. Let's go and vámonos back to Chef's in Kitchen to transform science into flavor. Let's go. So, welcome back to the Chef Inc. headquarters, my Flow amigos and my Chef Inc. family. Today, we are going to transform those amazing groceries that we did before into a delicious dish that will feed your soul and your glow, not only outside, also inside. This is Serenity Salmon, a delicious citrus lavender glazed salmon over an amazing quinoa pilaf with greens. Actually, I think that this will be half nutrition, half culinary therapy, don't you think? Actually, Harvard Health in 2023 confirmed that the omega-3 fats helps to reduce the inflammation that triggers anxiety and skin flare-ups. Does this mean that our dish, a part of delicious, is derma-proof? I think so. So what do you think if we go and meet our lineup of serenity?
All right, Flow amigos, it's time to see what's in the bag. Okay, Glow Squad, let's talk nutrient tea.
First, we have our salmon. That is our protein and our omega-3 power. Always look for this beautiful color, rose color, and look for firm flesh. That is always our serenity texture test. If the label says farm raised or wild caught, that means real glow, my friends. we have our Trio Citrus Glow Boosters. This is full of vitamin C that will support collagen, that is your skin bounce factor. Always pick heavy ones. That means that are juicy, my flow amigos. We have the parsley and the lavender. A little bit of aromatherapy on a stem. Frontiers in Pharmacology in 2021 showed that the lavender can lower cortisol, that is our stress hormone. So yes, even your dinner can chill you out. Now it's quinoa time. This is gluten-free and full of magnesia. Also, it's linked to better mood. Always look for white quinoa that is low sodium and don't have added flavors. Remember, we always season our own life by ourselves, so we don't need those extra added fake flavors. Then we have our broccoli and spinach. This is our fiber and iron duo. Always choose bright greens. That means fresh nutrients. Now let's meet our 3 quiet heroes. First, we have our miso. This is going to bring umami depth and natural probiotics. This means gut glow without drama. Always look for a shiro miso or white miso that is also non-GMO. Also, look to be low in sodium, and remember to keep it always refrigerated to keep the good bacteria alive. And like quinoa deserves also some flavor, we're going to cook it in vegetable broth instead of plain water. Always look a low sodium vegetable broth. Do not trust in what says in the front of the packaging. Go to the label and check out that be under 150 milligrams of sodium and no MSG. Of course, we need some sweet natural peacekeeper, honey, that is full of antioxidants and glow-boosting enzymes. Okay, flow amigos, before the spa comes the salmon spa. A gentle brine, just 15 minutes. Sea salt, honey, lemon. Simple, clean, and mindful. Yes, I know this is added sodium, yes. But calm down, my flow amigos. This little brine here is not the enemy.
Science time, baby, because flavor without facts, that's just drama without data.
The problem is the hidden sodium in ultra-processed food, and of course, abusing of the added salt in the table. Not this mindful pinch of salt. Why is this? Because our bodies actually need sodium to stay in flow mode for nerve function, hydration, and muscle balance. The trick here is moderation, not elimination. This little spa will help to the salmon to stay juicy. Also, reduce the need of extra oil in the moment of searing it. And of course, we'll keep the flavors scent, not too salty. What this means? That also will decrease the chance that you add extra table salt. So yeah, basically, we are not overdoing the salt. We are just letting the science season our glow. So let's go.
Now this part, a little kitchen chemistry, baby.
So for this brine, we need 4 cups of water, we also need 2 tablespoons of salt, preferably that be fine and not coarse. This way will dissolve better and faster. We also need 1 tablespoon of honey. This will add some balance to the salmon. Yes, I know, sticky. So after adding the honey, let's give a little shake. So we combined all these ingredients and let this salt dissolve a little bit more. Don't have to be fully integrated, it's not needed, but as much you can. Now we are going to add between 2 or 3 lemon slices. This will give some freshness and acidity to the dish. You also can substitute this for 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. And now, of course, the main ingredient, the salmon. Let's put this baby to swim. Let's get it totally covered, totally submerged. Now, we only have to wait around 15 minutes because we are trying to get just a little brining, not a deep one that could affect the levels on sodium. Okay, Flow amigos, Serenity is cute and everything, but she's about to get spicy. So enough foreplay with our ingredients, and let's transform this Serenity into fire.
Look at that quinoa, light, fluffy, and ready to absorb all the drama we are about to serve.
15 minutes later.
Don't boil the honey, please! Remember, we are giving her a spa day, not a funeral.
Two minutes later.
Treat broccoli like jewelry. Quick dip in heat, then chill it fast so it keeps that glow.
Twenty seconds later.
Spinach is like a diva. She needs a quick spotlight moment. Then straight to chill. Keep it brief and she will glow for you. Alright, one glow done, next flavor on deck. Shh. Let's pat dry this beauty and treat it with love. Shh. You hear that? That is flavor clocking in for work. Glazed, silky, golden, and full of flavor drama.
12 minutes later.
Now my favorite part, time to bring this masterpiece to the plate.
So now, let's bring it to the sexies.
Oh, she's camera ready, darling. Give her the spotlight. Order in the kitchen. Flavor court is in session.
Okay, Flow amigos, moment of truth. Our resident judge, the man who never hands out easy points, Chef Michael. Ooh, he's giving MasterChef Finals vibes. Ooh.
No, it's okay. It's okay. We must be fair. We must be fair. Sorry for that. Marjorie, what did you cook for me?
Well, we have an amazing honey miso glazed salmon over a pilaf quinoa with greens.
Sounds delicious, and it's healthy.
Yes, it's
All right.
full of antioxidants, vitamin C, and probiotics.
Okay, let's see. It's also packed with flavor.
Of course, you know me well.
Of course, that's why I'm asking. So you're a little bit nervous?
Of course.
Don't have to be. I'm sure we'll be okay. Let's see. Okay, let's dig in. Let's check the salmon. The plating is nice. So I try to get a little bit of everything. I cut a little bit from your broccolini.
Yes, please. Try a little bit of everything.
Okay, try to build here
The perfect bite.
the perfect bite. Okay, so from the quinoa, a little bit from the salmon.
Drum roll, please. It's glow or no time.
No, it's good. Listen, I go in again because sorry. What you cooked here, everything. So I see the orange glaze, right? A little bit. It's a little bit sweet and sour.
Yes, it has some lemon for the acidity, some honey, and white miso. And the trio booster of glow: orange, lemon, and lime.
Good. So I see the third bite here.
Ooh, that's always good.
Moment of truth.
It's definitely chef approved. So really, I love it. It's great. The salmon is cooked very nicely. I like that you present it without the skin. Yeah, usually when you have a glaze and you don't want to serve it with the skin, and you take off the skin mostly, yeah, then makes no sense. So you have it perfectly done. And yeah, it feels light. It feels delicious. Season it perfectly. So I really like it. I don't can say anything bad about it. So good job.
See, people, Serenity proven and Chef's Ink approved.
Totally.
So, does it glow or does it go?
So I assume she cooked it for me. So I take it outside and finish it. Bye. See you.
What? Yeah. Well,
And it seemed that it goes, but directly to the tummy of Chef Mike.
and that, Flow amigos, is Serenity served. We have flavor, we have balance, and just enough sass to keep life interesting. Because who says that peace has to be plain? Not me for sure. Thanks for cooking with us, and remember to stay balanced, keep your glow steady, and I will see you in the next Glowdown. Hasta la próxima, mi gente.
Wait, don't go yet.
When you like Marjorie's video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode.